Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share an idea to color the flower's petals with ink. I hope you will like this idea. Firstly, please like and subscribe so that you would be updated by my new videos. Always keep yourself creating different ideas. It will make you motivated day by day towards success, whether you're an aspiring artist or just looking to add a touch of beauty to your sketches. This shading technique is sure to impress. With just a few simple steps, you can take your flower drawings to the next level and make them look like they're about to bloom right off the page. So grab your pencils and let's get started. I promise you won't be disappointed with the results. First, we're going to start by lightly sketching out the basic shape of the petal. And then we'll slowly build up the shading to create a more three-dimensional look. Remember to take your time and be patient. Shading is all about building up layers and gradually adding more depth to your drawing. When you're finished, you'll have a beautiful, lifelike flower that's sure to impress everyone who sees it. I can't wait to see how your drawing turns out. Be sure to send me a snap when you're finished. If you're ever feeling stuck or need some inspiration, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help you with your artwork. Speaking of art, have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? I'm always on the lookout for something new to watch. I've always loved flowers, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite shading techniques with you today. Shading flowers can be a bit tricky, but with a little practice and patience, you'll be able to create stunning, lifelike blooms in no time. I find that shading flowers is a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. It's almost meditative. I find that shading flowers is a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. It's almost meditative. I love how shading can add depth and dimension to a drawing. It's amazing how a few simple lines can make a piece really come to life. There's something so satisfying about creating a beautiful drawing from scratch. I hope this tutorial inspires you to pick up a pencil and get creative. I'm always looking for ways to challenge myself and push my skills to the next level. I hope this tutorial helps you do the same. I love how drawing allows me to express myself in a way that words can't. It's a great way to communicate my thoughts and feelings. Drawing has always been a passion of mine, and I love sharing that passion with others. I hope this tutorial helps you discover a love of drawing too. Drawing has always been a passion of mine, and I love sharing that passion with others. I hope this tutorial helps you discover a love of drawing too. I love how drawing allows me to see the world in a whole new way. It's amazing how much beauty there is in the everyday things around us. Drawing is my escape from the stresses of everyday life. It's a way to unwind and find peace in the midst of chaos. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to pick up a pencil and start drawing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep on creating.